Hello everyone, this is Sresh from SkyMount, and today's class we are going to see how to apply paint to the walls. Okay, so before classes we have also seen how to add materials to the wall. Okay, so here let us see today how to apply paint to the wall. Okay, so very first thing, let us see where does this paint tool come. So I'll go to modify, and here you have the option of paint. So just drop down this paint, and here you can click on paint here. So after you click on paint, you can see you will get a paint tool where you will be having all unnecessary materials. Okay, so like which we don't apply as a paint to the wall. So here what I need to do is I need to create paint here first. So how I'll be creating paint here? First I'll go to manage, and here I'll select materials. The material browser will get open. Next here what I'm going to do here is I will drop down this home, drop down the Autodesk library, and I'll select the material which has image fade option in this. Okay, so now what is image fade? Image fade is nothing but it is a upper wrapper which is applied to the material. So if I remove the wrapper, I can apply some different material, I can apply some different color to that particular material. So here what I'll do is let me prefer to take plaster and plaster. So now I'm not going to click on the first icon, I'll click on the second icon as I'm going to edit the material. So next after this, here I'll go to identity, and I'll give the name of the paint what I'm creating here. So for example, if I'm creating some yellow color, so I'll give the name as yellow. Okay, so next here I'll go to appearance. Next here you can see there's image fade here. So what I'll do is I will make this image fade to 0. Okay, so next after you turn this image fade to 0, next here I'll click on color. After you click on color, here you can select the type of color you want to apply. So for example, if I need yellow. Still, if I am not satisfied with these colors which I have here, so for more colors I can go to Pantone. In Pantone, I'll find n number of shades of colors as per my requirement. Okay, so see for example, if I'm going with yellow, so I'm having so many different kinds of yellow here. So for example, there's a sunrise yellow. Okay, so whichever the type of yellow you need, dark yellow. Okay, so blackish yellow. So whichever the yellow you need, you can select it from here. Okay, so just click on OK. So next, if you want, even you can make it a little bit lighter or darker here. Okay, as per your requirement. Next, click on OK. So you can see the image has got updated here. Now what I'll do is I'll show you the difference if I don't remove the image fade. See here, the material is there as it is. Now what I'll do, I'll make the image fade to 0. You can see the paint has got updated to this. Suppose if you make it a little image fade like up till 50 or something, you can see there the color is still like getting lighter and lighter. So next here just click on apply, click on OK. Next here I'll go to modify, I'll drop down paint, I'll click on paint. Here the paint will be available with me, so just select the paint and just apply it to the wall. Okay, so you can see that paint got applied to the wall here. Similarly, this paint will get applied for each faces. Okay, so this paint will not get applied to the entire wall. You can see it is got applied only to one face here. So if you want to apply different material here to this face, you can apply different materials. So let me create one more paint and show it to you. I'll go to manage, I'll click on materials. Here I'll select the material as plaster. I'll click on material editor. I'll go to identity. I'll give the name. So for example, if I'm creating some violet color, go to appearance, make the image fade as 0, and so something like this. I'll make it a little lighter. Click on OK. Apply. OK. Next I'll go to modify, drop down paint, select paint, select this violet color and just apply it to the wall. You can see here it got applied to the whole wall here. Okay, so if you want only this portion of the wall to get applied, then what I need to do here is I'll go to level 1, I'll go to modify tool, I'll select split element and I'll split the wall somewhere here. go to 3D. Now I'll select paint. I'll select the spoiled paint and I'll apply it over here. So this is how you can apply it for each faces. Suppose here I can apply, so you can apply it for faces like this. Okay, got it? So this is how you can use paint in Revit. Now just imagine like you have some texture of the paint, texture in the sense like some portion in this yellow, if you want something white here, like some zigzag portion, there is some white here. Okay, so you can just imagine if you're doing it for interior. So what I can do is in this itself I want a white portion of line here like this. Okay, so I can do it using split face. Okay, that is there over here. So first what I need to do is I need to set the view here. So I'll go to architecture, I'll click on set. Here I'll specify the work plane as picker plane, click on OK, and then here I'll select this wall which I want to split. So I'll select this face of the wall. So next here what I'll do is I'll go to modify, I'll select split face and I'll select the wall. Now here what I'll do is I'll do the design as per my requirement. Select pick line, so I'll give some offset of 0.5 inch. Okay, this. Just click on finish. Next here what I'm going to do is I'll select the paint here, which paint I want to apply, and I'll just apply it over here. Okay, so if you want you can even apply it like this using split face. Okay, so like for example if you're applying some wall unit here and if you want this portion some different paint to be there, so you can split this face and you can apply some different paint here and you can apply some different paint here this side. Okay, so you can use split face in your own requirement. Okay, so this is how we'll be using paint in Revit. Okay, so thank you everyone. For more videos you can like and subscribe the video.